Dear ladies and gentlemen from the Soi Dog Foundation, dear beloved dogs, Sawatika. You lead the biggest foundation aiming for animal well-being and fair treatment in Southeast Asia. You engage yourself even on governmental level, next to any social media channel I know of, to spread the word. A word, an act, on a mission. You are working, or you did work together with James French and Shelley French, the founders of the Trust Technique. The British loving couple that helps driving this mission of a paradigm shift regarding the animals on this planet. I wrote to treat animals as our brothers and sisters, because they actually are, with love and compassion, respect, dignity, and surely without harming them. Me too, I have that dream that one day humanity will live in harmony and balance with Mother Nature, with each other, and with animals, for we shall see them for what they truly are. Since I saw James working with you, I felt drawn to support. Later, my soul friend Daisy went to support you. I think it was March this year or March last year. What made my desire even stronger. Universe led me, or I led universe lead me. I don't know. The road was very rough, and I had to learn a lot of lessons to become the human being I am today. When I wrote this, I'm now on an airplane, that was like 2 or 3 hours ago, writing these rows, intending to send you a video once I land in Dubai. What I just did. Asking you, may I come to help? I mean, I'm obviously on my way anyway. Be there in a few hours. I can offer all about energies, leadership, healing, communication, a big open heart, and endless love. I'm learning from James and Shelley, Cesar Milan, Sharon and Laura Wilsey. So Sharon and Laura, they've investigated the body language of dogs and horses. What they found out, they call serious speak, like this star. The precise canine body language system. Like, if you haven't heard of them yet, you might want to check out the link I put in the description. Also, I've learned from so many other people, starting with Anthony Robbins and Eckhart Tolle, and oh my goodness, there are so many books that I read, and eventually I met this guru who got the energy from Sadhguru from India. He's speaking my German language, so I learned a lot about presence, about transcending energies, about clarity, what is the antidote to any paradigm we might hold regarding animals or other living beings on the planet. And I'm also coming with a degree in business mathematics, and over 10 years experience on the largest IT projects of this world. So there were sometimes over like hundreds of people involved, and I had a team, and I was reporting, and there were all these like stakeholders, status here, status there, pressure. So Yeah, and I also hold like every project management certification you can think of. So I can not only offer all about energies and a lot of love, but also project management skills, especially stakeholder management power. I speak 4 languages, English and German like fluent, and German is my mother tongue, and French is a little bit like rusty, and Spanish is absolutely getting a boost soon. Yeah, and I want to make that voice. I want to make that voice for animals so loud and clear that everyone is listening. There's a song like If Everyone Was Listening, and I'm listening to it and I'm like, yeah, there's so many songs out there, so many songs, like all the knowledge is out there. People are just so ignorant. The antidote to ignorance is clarity, and I want to drive forward clarity in the world. Yeah, and last but not least, I bring to... Oh, I'm so sorry. Last but not least, I bring 2 very strong arms. Although they look like French fries, maybe. But wait for it, you'd be surprised. And I'm just willing to do any work needed. I worked in horse stables for years. I have a own dog that when he was little, every night he shitted my whole apartment. Poop everywhere on the floor in my bed. I am very poop and body liquid resistant. I can take a lot. Yeah, in return, all I'm asking for is food for my body and arms, and a place where I can put my yoga mat to sleep. I wrote that I am a yogi. I don't consciously identify with anything. It's just like to give you an idea. Yeah, I don't need more. I don't mind having more, but yeah, maybe some Wi-Fi would be good. Yeah, and I'd be more than happy and thankful if you, without knowing you yet, or we approach each other with an open mind, curiosity, and that shared vision to heal the world. Let's start with the one of the dogs of this planet. Kopkanka. I hope I remember time correctly. Kopkanka, I don't know. See you soon. I'm already very much looking forward to this experience, and I think the last years, or maybe all my life, I was preparing, or I got prepared by life for this chance to make it happen. And I have big dreams, a lot of energy, a lot of people I know, a lot of skills and competencies, so I think we can make something happen. And I'm so thankful and so full of sadness when I think of all these mistreated creatures on the planet, like children with no home. Even Michael Jackson was singing about them. This can't go on. Yeah, that's where I what I stand for.